How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock blocked user on Snapchat or how you can unblock people on Snapchat. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up your Snapchat app and log into your account. You'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen that you see, and then here on your profile tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you scroll all the way down below here until you find the option blocked, you'll find the fourth last option, so you need to keep on scrolling down until the very end, and the fourth last option above the option saved login info, you can see the blocked option. Simply tap on blocked and you'll find your block list here. Now to unblock particular someone, what you want to do is search in for the person, locate the person, or look out for the username of the person that you want to unblock, and beside the username at the right hand side of the screen you'll find the cross icon. Simply tap on cross icon there and you'll see their notification popping up. Are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatter? Simply tap on yes and they'll be unblocked. So this way you can unblock people on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.